Milan Harris takes flight with her son on his first private jet.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. That's not your book. This is not your book. Amira, you want to say what's up to Milan?
Hey, love. Milan is looking delicious. Yes, ma'am. Miss Milano, let him know what's up. Let him know what's up.
Hey, guys. It's like, what's up, y'all? Y'all know I don't talk there with guys. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're on set. What's up, Cass? Yo, so this is my first since 2019. I haven't done a photo shoot in forever.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Thank y'all, thank y'all, thank y'all. All right, I'll be back. Hey, Maddie, I miss you. Loyalty, you said I like this. Thank you, baby. This Milano 2.0. All right, I'll be back, y'all. Hey, yous.
Thanks for tuning in to 9 Mag TV.